day I have stopped counting of building this thing. For today I'm trying to finish up the base box. German quality. I am about to finish this whole box, and for that we need to do two things. First off, we need to glue this on the inside, and I need to create the poles that are going on the two sides. So let's start with the poles, then I will glue them down, and then the top panel. Yeah, sounds like a plan to me. Although I usually prefer to measure things, this time I'm just going to freehand it, because at this point we have a panel on a panel with a screw, with another screw, with some glue, so all the measurements I have taken before starting are basically off by now. So I'm just going to do it this way. Looks fine to me. Perfect. Next one. Perfect number 2.
1 hour later.
Perfect. Okay, so we now have all 4 ready. So I guess now it's time to glue them down and then screw them down. Maybe a bit of sanding. Great. Oh, you know what we could do? To get rid of the screws in the bottom, I could prepare the hole. Wait a minute, I have a great idea. I have a great idea to make it fit better. Let me just remove the screws, all of them. And then we are going to use this tool, which preps the hole in a conical shape, so that the screw basically goes all the way in. Perfect. And now if I reuse the screw, it should be completely in that hole, allowing me to glue this one down also in the bottom. Yeah, I know that I need to drill them in slightly offset, because I can't get... Hey, that one is in. Perfect. So now we are ready to glue these here down. Great, and now it's waiting, essentially. Oh, I can just turn this around like that. Haha. Okay, so let's prep the second one. I think these 3 are good now. They will need some more time to dry up, but we will finish them later with just a screw. So we can proceed with the last one. And from there we can finally mount this top plate, and then the case is actually ready. Ready. Great. Goddamn, finally. Or can't I do that while these are still drying up? No, I will need to keep it together in that way. So just wait.
1 hour later.
Okay, these suckers there should be dry by now. So let's finally get to that top part portion and get ready to finish this. Let's call it a case. This should be the last 300 by 300 piece, which will fit on there like that. Wow, it fits well on there. I did my measurements quite well. Okay, now I need to somehow put a thin line onto every corner of this. Okay, let me get a screw. Ah, my finished box. Great. Now, for today, why did I put glue on here? Why did I do that? Ah, that was stupid. I didn't need to do that. Anyway, the box is finished, so far so good. For the next episode we will start to build the system inside of this. So I'll prepare everything here, clean it up a bit, and for next week prepare the motherboard, install all the components on it, and then slap the whole thing in here. So yeah, this series is getting so out of hands. This so far it had nothing to do with the PC. It was just me building a weird looking box. That was all I did in the last few weeks. But bear with me, all of this will make sense once everything is done. But for today, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed whatever the hell we are doing here, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.